Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Windows tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to rotate your screen in Windows 10. This can be useful for a news feed, for example, or even chatting in your stream on Twitch. It's actually quite simple. On the desktop, I right-click and select Display Settings. Here I have to select the screen I want to rotate. In my case, that's screen number 2. Now I scroll down to Display Orientation and switch to Portrait. There are also the two versions with Flipped, and this is the opposite version. Landscape Flipped means, for example, that this image is rotated by 180 degrees. Now I select Portrait and confirm the changes. You don't see that my screen has rotated 90 degrees, but at least that my resolution has changed. So my screen is now flipped by 90 degrees, but for my screen capturing software this is at the bottom and this is still at the top. So I hope you understand what I mean, and that's how easy it is to rotate your screen on Windows 10. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.